Hello everyone, my name is Roshni Borathe. Today is 2 June and today's video topic is the SQL in SQL. We see what is SQL. The SQL means structure query language. This is the full form of SQL. Then the SQL is mainly use access and manipulate the data from the database. Then the SQL is become standard of American National Standard Institute in 1987. 1986. Then the SQL is basically programming language, and the SQL is basically designed for to manipulate, access, share, store the data. So that is basically use of SQL. Then SQL means the structure query language, and it is used to perform operation on the data, which is that data is stored in the database. The operations such as delete record, insert record, update record, search record, etc. So we can easily see or easily access or manipulate data by using the SQL. Then we see in SQL there is some terms which is very important. First is data. Data means the it is a type of data type, means integer, float, double, character, string, etc., which we use to store information or create information by using data. Then next is a database. Database is the most important part in SQL. uh, the database means it is a collection of information. It is a collection of information in that we store or organize data for easy access, management, and manipulate. So that is database. For example, student data, employee data, etc. Then next we see in SQL there is a constraint. SQL constraint. The SQL constraint means rules that follow about that data, means constraints. There are six constraints in SQL. First is not null, second is default, third is a unique, fourth is a primary, fifth is a check, and sixth is the index. First we see not null. Not null means we ensure that all the values in the column is not null. Then default, when there is no any value specified, then we provide default value in that column. Then next is a unique. The unique in that ensure that all the values are unique, there is no any duplicate. Then primary. The primary, when we apply primary, it is check each row and column uniquely. Then next is the check. In check constraint, in that specify the all the statement conditions, specify the certain condition, means check. In that we check all the values satisfy the certain condition. Then index. In index we can easily create retrieve data very quickly. Then next is there is sub command in SQL, such as DDL, DML, DCL, TCL. Firstly we see DDL. The DDL means data definition language. Data definition language is basically it is used to creation. In that there is five command. First is create. The create command is used to create database data in the database, used to create object in the database. Then next is the alter. The alter command is used to alter structure in the database. Then next is a drop. Drop is used to delete data object in the database. Then fourth is a truncate. The truncate command is used to remove all the record from the table permanently. Then next is a rename. The rename command is used to rename object. Then next is a DML, means data manipulation language. In that there is a In that three command: insert, delete, and update. The insert is used to insert new record in the database. Then next is a update. Update is used to update existing record in the database. Then next is a delete. The delete is used to delete existing record into the table. Then next is a uh, DCL means DCL. Then next is a data control language. In that there is revoke and grant command. And the last is TCL, means transaction control language. In that there is three command: commit, save point, commit, save point. So there is also many more command like aggregate command. In that we find max, mean, average, etc. Also there is ordered by command. Means in that we order the data, sending and descending order. So there is lots of command by which we can see our output as we wanted. So basically that is all the SQL. So thank you.